What is not covered by NJ Lemon Law? Ever heard about the Lemon Law in New Jersey? Yes, the one also known as the New Jersey Used Car Lemon Law. It's a law that protects consumers who purchase used vehicles. This law covers any irregularity in your vehicle that impairs the use, value, or safety of the vehicle, which the dealer was unable to fix after a reasonable number of attempts. However, it's crucial to understand what the law does not cover. It does not protect against issues that do not substantially impair the use, value, or safety of the vehicle. For instance, a small rattle coming from your dashboard while annoying does not substantially impair the use, value, or safety of the vehicle, and hence, would not be covered. Motor vehicles sold for less than $3,000. Motor vehicles which are more than 7 model years old. Motor vehicles that have been declared a total loss by an insurance company. Motor vehicles that have odometer readings of more than 100,000 miles. Motor vehicles that were not purchased from a dealer. Motor vehicles that were sold as is. Used Car Lemon Law.